Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you Xender pro tips you need to know right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to open up my Xender. So I'm going to click on it. After you open up your Xender, literally Xender can be used to send or receive file or documents from one phone to another or transfer from one place to another. But that is not the end. You can also use Xender to convert your MP4 to MP3. And for you to do that, simply click on this icon from the bottom side right here and take you right here. Click on here to select a video. Then from your gallery right here, select any type of video that you would like to convert from MP4 to MP3. I'm going to select this particular video right here. And in a few seconds, it's going to be selected and now successfully converted. Just like what you see right here. So it has been fully converted into audio. I can simply share the audio or simply listen to the audio file. It's that simple. Another thing you can do with Xender app is that you can actually download any video from any social media platform with your Xender. So what you need to do is to click on this icon from the bottom right here and it take you right here. So virtually you can download video from WhatsApp status, Instagram, Facebook, and you watch, you can swipe and see more. You can also get it from X, TikTok, and then you can click on here to see more app, just like so. So when you click on see more app, you see all the places that you can simply get it from. Then also you can also connect your phone with your PC, which allow you to simply import music, import video, car screen and phone, etc. So what you need to do in this category is to make sure you visit this particular web, which is xender.com on your PC to install Xender for PC. Once you install the Xender for PC, click on scan to connect and your phone will be connected into the PC. Just like what you see right here. From here, you can drag and drop any file from your phone into your PC. It's that simple. Hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.